Making windows more comfortable for night use working late does something to your eyes. Part of that is simple tiredness, and part is that your screen throws out bright blue light your body reads as daylight. Windows has genuinely good tools for this. Start with night light. Open settings, go to system, then display and turn it on. The strength slider controls how warm the screen becomes, and I'd suggest starting around 50% because the maximum looks alarming until your eyes adapt. Then set a schedule, either sunset to sunrise using your location or fixed hours you choose yourself. Next, switch on dark mode under personalization, colors, so you're not staring at white backgrounds. Then lower your screen brightness to match the room, because a bright screen in a dark room is what actually causes strain, not the screen itself. Finally, increase text size slightly under accessibility and turn on Do Not Disturb so nothing pulls you back in.